Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and welcome to my channel. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. I love you. Thanks for tuning in. Please do well to click on the subscribe button, like my videos, share them with your friends and families, and please watch my videos till the end. Always like my videos too. So today we are going to be learning how to calculate your waist, how to derive your waist measurements for different flares, and it's very easy. The reason why I'm doing this is because sometimes when we just divide by 4 and we cut the flare, sometimes it can be smaller, sometimes it can be bigger. Is mostly bigger, so this formula will help you to get an accurate measurement that will just fit into your waist. So without further ado, let's get into the honey of this tutorial. Let's go. So guys, the formulas to calculate flare, each flare. In sewing, there are different kinds of flare: the half flare, the full flare, the quarter flare. So now these are the formulas to calculate flares. We have the single flare. That one, when you are folding it, you fold it in form of a triangle like this. After folding, and you cut this place off with the circumference, with the waist circumference. So to know that waist circumference, to calculate a half flare, we are going to use waist circumference divided by 1.57. Waist circumference divided by 1.57, and that is what you will measure when cutting this place round. We are still going to do a full tutorial on how to cut each flare, but this is just a guideline so that our tutorials will not be getting too long. So waist circumference divided by 1.57, that is for a single flare. For a half flare, okay, before I move forward, this single flare is not folded into 4. It's just folded once. It's not, this side is not into 4, it's just folded once. But for this half flare, you have to fold your fabric in 4 corners like this before you now fold it into a triangle form. So you first fold your fabric into 2, then you fold it into 4 to form a triangle. Do you understand? So this particular half flare is folded into 4. So to calculate a half flare circumference, which is this place where you will measure here, is waist circumference divided by 3.14. Waist circumference divided by 3.14. It will give you an answer that will help you. Let's say the answer is given now is 3. That means it's 3. That means from here you measure 3, you measure 3, you measure 3 all round. Do you understand? So that's how it works. I hope you can see clearly. So for a half flare, which is folded into 4, you divide your waist circumference by 3.14, and that's what will give you your waist circumference, what you cut on your fabric to give you a perfect cut. Now for a full flare, is folded into 4, but it is in form of a square. If a full flare is in form of a square, it is folded into 4 in form of a square. Then the circumference, you get it from one part of the square. So now, how you fold a full flare? You first fold it into 2, then you fold it into 2 again to form a square like this. Let me illustrate. You fold a full flare like this, fold it into 2, then you fold it again. For a let me go over this. For a single flare, this is how you fold it. You fold you see, I didn't fold it. You just go ahead and fold it like this. This is a single flare, and don't forget to divide it by 1.57. Now for a half flare, you first fold it like this, then you go ahead and fold it like this on your fabric to form a triangle. See, this is folded into 4. Then you measure your waist circumference using waist circumference divided by 3.14. Now for a full flare, which is the biggest, you fold your fabric into 2, then you fold it into 2 again to form a square. Then you get your circumference from here, which is waist circumference divided by 6.28. It's very easy to make. So that is just the basic calculations to calculate flares. That's the basic calculation to calculate flares. Once you get to know all of this, you will understand it better. So those are the simple calculations that I brought to you. Simple calculations in sewing that I brought to you. As you can see, I'm smiling here. Alright, so till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I care about you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.